Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'm going to talk about the steps involved in remodeling a house. Remodeling a home can be a challenge, so the more time you spend planning your project before you start, the smoother it will go. First off, what are you desiring to do? Are you wanting a new kitchen, a bathroom, an addition, or a whole house renovation? Once you do that, then it's time to look at your budget. How much money can you spend? Will you need to take out a loan, and do you qualify? You'll also have to spend time researching what materials you'll need, things like cabinetry, flooring, tiling, roofing, windows, doors, all the features you want to include. Once your budget is set and you've chosen the materials and features you want, it's time to get educated on what it takes to have a successful remodel. You begin your homework by finding out if your state requires licensing of contractors. You want to study the Contractors License Board website on consumer tips for hiring and working with contractors, as well as to know what your state's laws are. Determine things like down payment laws and what to do to protect yourself from unethical contractors. You also want to educate yourself regarding typical legal documents that are used in remodeling by contractors, documents such as mechanics liens and how to avoid them. It's important for you to understand them. Get informed about what should be included in a remodeling contract. Consider consulting with a contract or construction law attorney. Now it's time to have some plans drawn up, and you'll want to hire an architect or interior designer depending on the scope and size of your project. Once the plans are done, then they are submitted to the local building department for approval. Finally, you want to interview at least 3 contractors and hire the right one for your project by doing a thorough research on each contractor. After that, it's time for the contractor to pull the necessary permits and your project is ready to begin.